Hello again. Today we're going to talk about subtraction. We're going to quickly review fact families and we're going to show some different models of when we subtract. Here's our fact family house. Inside the windows you'll see a number 4 and a number 3, and in the door is a number 7. These are their fact families. 4 is a part, 3 is a part, 7 is the whole. So I can write this in a fact family. I can write 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. I can use my commutative property and write it in a different order. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now I can write these same numbers in a fact family subtraction sentence. 7 take away 3 is going to be equal to 4. And 7 take away 4 is going to be equal to 3. These numbers work together to have the same parts and wholes. Remember that when you are adding, you're combining parts to get the whole. When you're subtracting, you're using the whole number and one part to find the other part. This is called part, whole. Math is full of patterns, and one of them that you'll see all the time is part, whole. Really quick, let's go over what this word is, difference. Say it with me, please. Difference. Difference is the answer when you are subtracting two numbers. So, when do we use subtraction to solve problems? We're going to discuss that next. Here's an example of when you use subtraction to solve problems. My 12 is my whole. I know the 7 is one of my parts. What I don't know is what this part is. I could write this as an addition sentence. I could write blank plus 7 is equal to 12. My part plus my other part is equal to 12. I don't know this part though, and I need to figure it out. My addition sentence is not going to work in this case. So next, I'm going to write this in a subtraction problem. I'm going to start with the whole, 12. I'm going to take away the part I know, 7, and I'm going to figure it out to figure out what my missing part is. 12 take away 7 is 5. Now, if I put the number 5 in here, it should work. Let's try it. 5 plus 7 is 12. It works. Look at that. We have our own fact family. 5, 7, and 12 work together in addition and subtraction sentences. In this example, they're asking me how many more hearts than circles. They're not asking me to join two groups, and I don't know what the whole is. Let's see if we can work together to figure this out. First, let's figure out how many hearts there are. If you count them, you'll see that there are 6 hearts. Next, I want to know how many circles there are. The circles are going to be my part. There are 3 circles. What I don't know is this part. That would tell me how many more hearts I have. So let's write this in a math sentence. If I have 3 plus something I don't know, it's going to equal 6. Let's do it in a subtraction sentence. I know that there are 6 hearts. I know that there are 3 circles. If I take that part away, I can figure out how many more hearts there are. There are 3. Let's review what we've learned. In a math problem, if you are given a part and a whole, you should probably use subtraction to solve for the missing number. You can show this information in 2 ways. You can use an addition sentence with a missing part, or you can use it or you can write it in a subtraction problem with the whole, one of the parts, to find the other missing part.